So today we are going to learn about kinds of houses. Take out your course book page number 2. Take out your course book page number 2 and global English page number, even global English also you have to keep ready. Global English page number 5050. 50. Global English page number 5050 and course book page number 2. Ready? Show me thumb if you are ready. Global English and course book, both you should keep ready. Very good. Now I'm going to share the screen, children. Everyone look at the screen. Fast. Screen, everyone. Are you able to see the screen? Now see group A, kinds of houses. What do you have there? Kinds of houses. Can you see there are some different types of houses? A house which can move on wheels is a camper van. Can you see this camper van here? Look at the screen, everyone. This is a camper van. Next, tent. Tent is a temporary house. What is it? It is a temporary house when we go for a picnic or when we go out for a camp. We use this type of tents. Igloo. These are built in icy lands, very cool areas. Yes, these are made of ice bricks. Next we have lighthouse and then detached house. Okay, and then this is a villa and then a block of flats. You can call even apartment building. Okay, apartment, and then you have terraced house. Okay, this is a terraced house. And next one you have a castle. We have seen this castle in Alice in Wonderland, no children? There was a beautiful castle. We have seen this in Alice in Wonderland. Yes. So this is a castle. And then we have semi-detached house. You can see the flat roof house. Only semi means half. Okay. Semi-detached house. Now let us see the next one. What type of houses can you see here? Three types of houses you have. One is detached house. Another one is terraced house. Yes, detached house, terraced house, and then high rise. Okay, high rise flat. You can see flats. It's a big high rise flats. Okay, next one we have can you see the next one? You have a hut and a bungalow. Very beautiful bungalow and a small hut. Yes, looking so colorful and beautiful, no? Bungalow. Do you like it? Yes. Okay. So, hut and bungalow. And this is a new house. You can see here. See how greenery it is on the on the top of the house also there are lots of plants. This is an example of eco house. What is this house? Eco house made up of wood. The house is made up of wood and the trees on the top of the house, looking so beautiful, no? Isn't it? This is a eco house. These are the different types of houses, children. And now I want you people to take Global English page number 51. Take the Global English page number 51. You can see there is a eco woodland house. Eco woodland house. Can you see there? Okay. Now I'm going to read it. Come on, see. This eco woodland house was built by a family in Wales. The house was built using recycled materials. The waste materials or the recycled materials, the waste, we will make some new things with the waste material. No, beta, that is called a recycled material. So here, this family, no, they have used all the recycled materials, okay, where which were found in the rubbish tip and local materials like stone. What are the materials they have found in their local areas? You can see. Number one is stone, metal, wood, mud, lots of mud. Can you underline these words? Where is stone? Where is the stone? Underline the stone. Come on fast. In your Global English, underline stone, metal, wood, mud, lots of mud. Next, the house is built into the hillside. It is built. Where it is built? It is built into the hillside. The walls and floors are made of stone and mud. Where we are living, children, we are also living in a house, no? We are living in our homes. Yes. What are our homes are made up of? Our homes, our houses are made up of stones, iron, cement, bricks. These are all the material we use for our houses. But here you see what is the material they have used for building this eco house. They have used stone and mud. Roof is made of wooden beams from trees. Roof, the roof, we call it as a slab here. Yes? The roof is made up of wooden beams. Big blocks of wooden they have placed on the top of the floor. Okay? And they have covered their top of the floor with leaves. Big leaves. Isn't it so beautiful? You want to make such a house? Will you make such a house, eco-friendly house? It is a very good for health. It is complete greenery. You will not feel hot. Okay? Lots of greenery you have. You will get fresh air to breathe. Okay? Dakshita Patel, what's your problem? Dakshita?
Yes, madam.
Tell me, why do you raise your hand?
Nothing, madam.
Okay. Now, it is second para. Look into second para, beta. Shashank, Faizan. It is also an eco house because it uses natural resources like water and energy efficiently. They have a wood burner to heat the house and big windows in the roof to let the natural light. See? To get the natural light, they have small windows. So they have big windows on the Floor. On the top of the floor. Roof. On the top of the roof, they have big windows so that they can get natural light inside. What is natural light? What is natural light? Sunlight. Yes? Sunlight is the natural light we get, no? So they made big windows to get those natural lights. They also have solar panels to provide energy for lighting and music. Wow, solar panels. Do you know solar panels? What do you mean by solar energy? The electricity which is produced by sunlight. Electricity which is produced by sunlight is called solar energy. So here they placed some solar panels on the roof. On the top of the roof, they have placed some solar panels so that with the help of sunlight, electricity will be produced. They collect rainwater and water the garden in the summer. See, what the family is doing, it is even preserving rainwater, collecting rainwater, preserving it, and during summer when we will not get rain, they use this preserved water to plant, to water the plants, to water the plants. This is all about eco house. Clear, children? Yes? Do you have any doubt about eco house? Eco woodland house? Yes? Any doubt? Have you understood why this house is called a eco-friendly house, eco house? Because all the natural things they have used to build this house. All the natural things. Sunlight is a natural thing. Rainwater they are collecting. Trees for the fresh air. Okay? So all these natural things they are using for their house. That's the reason it is called as eco house. Now, as I told you to get ready with the course book also. See the course book page number 2. Can you match it now? Can you do it now? Write date and CW first. Come on. Date and classwork is compulsory for each and every page. What is date today? Do you know what is date? 21-7 and write CW on the top of the page. Done? And now match it. The first house. What is the first house name? Eco house. Where is the eco house? Come on, match it. Last. Yes, second row, the middle one. Yes? Eco. E-C-O. Eco. Find out and mark it. Drag a line from the house to the name. Done? Done, everyone? And now see the second one. What is the second house name? High rise flats. And where is this high rise flats? First row, middle. Right? First row, middle. Next one. What is the next one? Next picture. That is a detached house. Detached house. Where is detached house? Second row, last one. Spelling D-E-T-A-C-H-E-D. Detached. Done? Show me thumb if you have done. Saman, you not done? Done. Okay. Next one. What is the next house name? What's the next house name? Hut. That is a hut. H-U-T, hut. And where is the name? The first row, first circle. H-U-T, hut. Done. Next one you have terraced house. Terraced house. Come on. Drag a line to its name. Terraced. Terraced house. House. Terraced house. Done. The last one. What is that last picture? It is a bungalow. It is a bungalow. Come on, write it down. Drag the line down straight to that picture only. Bungalow. Bungalow. Done? Nirvi, do you have any doubt? Yes, Nirvi.
Ma'am, what is terrific house?
What is?
Terrific house.
Terrific. Terraced house?
Yes, ma'am.
Terrace, where we have terrace for our home. Do you know terrace?
No, ma'am.
We go up. We can go upside and we can enjoy on the house terrace. Steps will be arranged to go on the top of the house. Okay. With the help of steps, we can go up on our house terrace. Okay. That is called a terrace house. Samanyu, do you have any doubt? No. Okay, good. So everyone done page number 2? Course book page number 2 done? Everyone? Aishani? Done? Indivar? Indivar? Okay, good. Aryan, good. Now, take out page number 9 of your course book. 9 of your course book. Take out this page. Huria, take page number 9. Okay, good. Ready? Okay. These are the some clues you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hints are given in that page to complete your homework. This is your homework. This is your homework. You have to draw a dream house. You have to draw your dream house and you have to write what it is made up of. What it is made up of. You can see here the first circle, this one, special features that make a house your dream house. Special features means the flat house or terraced house. These are all houses already we have seen many. You have to make a different house, a different new house you have to make. That should be your dream house. Done? And next one, the next one is what kind of building is it? Is it a tall building? Is it a big building? Or is it a round building? Or it is a tomato shaped building? Or it is an apple shaped building? Okay. So in which shape you want to build your dream house? Okay. So you have to plan for that and you have to write that. Next one, with whom do you want to live in it? You want to live only with your toys? You want to live with your family? You want to live with your friends? So with whom you want to live in your dream house? You want to live with ghosts? You want to live? No. Okay. So with whom you want to live in your dream house? You have to plan and you have to write that also. Done? Next hint, see, what is it made of? What your house is made up of? Your house is made up of glass, complete glass house? or it is a wooden house, or it is made up of leaves, trees, or it is made up of some fruits, chocolates. Okay, so you have to plan something creatively. Okay, or something else like recycle things or waste things you have collected and you have made your house as your dream house. That you have to write. Where is it situated? Where is your house? Is your house on the mountain, or it is on the hill, or it is on the moon, or it is on the sun? Yes. Where is your house situated? Where is your house? That is, I'll give chance to clarify your doubts, but I'll give some time. Last 5 minutes, okay? Just wait. So now, these are the clues you have to do. For that, you can see one example is there in your Global English. Global English, page number 53. Once you open, you will get an idea to make your dream house. You can see one beautiful mushroom house on the page number 53 of Global English. Yes, there is a mushroom house. Can you see that? This is the mushroom house. It is made up of wood, mud and stone. It has very large windows to let in natural sunlight. The house is energy efficient because it has got solar panels on the roof to provide energy for lighting, music and computers. The water is from underground. You can see the well in the picture. Can you see the well? Okay. You can also plan something like that, like underground water or collecting some rainwater. Okay. Next, the roof has got a small roof garden. Can you see a small garden on the roof? Yes. For growing vegetables. If you want vegetables, you can climb your roof, pluck the vegetables and fresh vegetables, cook it and eat. Isn't it so funny? Yes. You can have lots of fruits in your garden, lots of vegetables in your garden. Yes, you can enjoy. So you have to write, you have to draw first. You can see my house. You can see my house. I have already done my homework. My house is completely made of glass. It is made of glass and it is on the mountain. It is on the mountain. Can you see? Can you see it? Yes. So you should also plan such a beautiful house. Any shape you can give. You can give any shape. Okay. Whatever you love. Okay. Make your dream house and write. How you will write? See, this is my dream house. It is a big building. It is made of glass and wood. Okay. I would like to live in my dream house with my parents and grandparents. It is situated on mountains. That's all. Very easy, no? That's it. Only this much you have to write. You have to just use the hints which are given and you can write. Yes, Vinmay, you can ask your doubt, beta.
Man, we can use two also, glass and mud also you can
You
use
can
only
use.
glass.
No. You can use anything, beta. That's your dream house. You can make your house with lots of chocolates also. You can make your house with lots of fruits also. Glass, wood, whatever you want to use the material, you use it and make your own dream house. Because you are only going to live in that dream house. I will not come to live there. Yes, will you invite me to your dream house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done. So, beta, plan your dream house and write it down. That's your homework. Your homework is interesting. Today's homework is interesting. Will you? Yes. Will you do it, everyone? And after doing, share your homework pics with me. click photo, take a photo, okay, and then immediately send it to me. Okay, beta. Very good.